go to express. Whatever a person see messes up disastrously, don't let it spread outwards to anyone and/or anywhere else. In Cantonese and Cantonese, 阿師搞我嘅嘢，咪俾佢拉開嚟呀！ The beginning clause is the same as in the example 1 in another clip, so the vocabularies wouldn't be described here again. For the second clause, for the vocabularies that have been described in the first clip wouldn't be described again, except the key word here, why. Vocabularies. 俾 means give, let, allow. Related to Hokkien, Nihali, and from Balai in the reconstructed form in Proto-Austronesian. 佢, the third person pronoun, as in Khmu, G, sa West Dialect, Khao, Hakka, Gi, North Mean, Gu, Khmer, Gay. Note, I don't speak in those languages, so I'm using the general tone to read them without following their corresponding tonal patterns. Y means to spread, to span, to extend, as in Thai. Lai. I don't speak in Thai, so I'm using the general tonal pattern to read it instead of its original tonal pattern. Hai means go outwards, further, distant, away from, and here it means outwards. Related to Zhangjiao Hokkien, Huing, and Dayak, Gai, 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 and Vietnamese, Ngai. Note, I don't speak in those languages, so pronouncing them without following their corresponding tonal pattern. Lei means to reach to arrive, to get to, towards. Hoi Lei is the direct contrast to my Lei in Cantonese. The conceptual spatial relationship is like Hoi Lei is to get further away from, distant from, away from, the first person or the expressor. My Lei is the opposite, that is getting near towards, close to, the first person or the expressor. The contextual meanings are my Lei means come near towards me here. Hoi Lei means go further away from me here. Or go outside when it means outwards. When it used to relate it to a set of meanings outside, outwards, out to, go out,